Hi, my name is Bill Parker, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rings on the piston on your lawnmower. Now, I've already removed the piston, and I'm going to remove the rings. The easiest way to do that is to find the opening for the ring, put your finger against the back side of it, and use this special tool. It's called a ring expander. We put the tool on, squeeze, and it takes the ring off. Can lay it down and proceed to the next one. Once we've got that all taken out, we clean the grooves, we put the new rings on, and can reinstall it in the lawnmower. So if you don't want to invest in this $9 tool, the other thing you could try to do is to remove the piston ring with your fingers. But because of the material that it's made out of and it's so thin, you're going to likely break them. At $25 a set, it's not that you really want to do that. You can't get them individually, and you have to get them as a set every time. And that's how you replace the rings on your lawnmower engine.